In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the font size on Google Chrome. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is go ahead and come over to Google Chrome. And then I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to search for an article just to go ahead and show you an example. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in how to and then search for a web page. So as you can see now, this is an article with the default font size and it's 100% at the moment. So what I want to go ahead and do is show you how you can go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. So what you want to go ahead and do is click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then go ahead and click on settings. And then scroll down a little bit until you see accessibility. And then as you can see at the top of the page there is text scaling. So if I go ahead and I put this up to example, 175%. And then go back and go ahead and check out the article. As you can see, the article has now gone ahead and it's got a bigger font. So if you go ahead now and put this back to 100%, so go down, go to accessibility, and then go ahead and put this to 100%, you're going to go ahead and see the difference in font size. So it does make a real difference, guys, so it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.